Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will be discussing one reasoning questions which were asked in Infosys. So this is the arithmetic reasoning and analytical thinking question. So see, if you attempt this type of question, it will be very beneficial for you, because see, there will be some data given, and based on this data you will be given 4 questions, and all will be based in this single data. So I think it will be very beneficial, because you have to just attempt this question and you will be able to solve 4 questions simultaneously. Okay, so let us see. So this is the question. So refer to the following data and answer the questions that follow. So now we will see the question. So in the question is, a rating of importance of certain factors to production is given on a scale of 0 to 100 country wise. Now see, after seeing the data, you might think that it is a bit puzzled or anything like that, but it is very simple. I will make you understand. Okay, so see, this is simply a data is given, a table is given, and you have given 5 countries. So these are the countries, and these are the factors. So maintenance of plant, technology, after sales, service and training. Now production in a certain country depend on all these factors, and these are the rating given for all the factor. So there is some rating for maintenance of plant, some rating for technology, so 95 rating, and this rating is on the scale of 0 to 100. Okay, so all these ratings for different factors are given, and overall rating for each country is given. Okay, now the question is, these factors comprise the production rating factor, PRF, of a country. The weight of this factor contribute to PRFR. Now see, these are the ratings. Okay, now each factor, so this is the factor, maintenance, technology, after sales and training. So these 4 are factor. Okay, and each factor is given some weight. Okay, so some weight is given. So all factors are not equal, so some weight are given: 0.3, 0.4, 0.2 for after sales and 0.1 for training. So technology has been given the highest weight, because we know, means general also we know that production depends on technology a lot. So technology has been given a larger weight. Okay, now based on all these things, based on this weight and this rating, you have to answer the following questions. Okay, so there are 4 questions. Okay, these are the 4 questions. So if you want, you can pause the video and you can try it yourself, then we will discuss. Okay, so these questions are given. Okay, now see, after seeing this question, this is very simple. So the first question is, PRF for which country is the highest? So if you see carefully, all the questions will depend on PRF. So we have to just calculate the PRF, and PRF is production rating factor. So if we calculate PRF, we will be able to solve all the 4 questions very easily. Okay, so the first question is, which country has the highest PRF? Now how we will calculate the PRF? So see, these factors comprise of production rating factor of a country. Now PRF is nothing. So see, PRF is basically, for each country you have to do the summation of this rating. So 80 plus 95 plus 90 plus 95. So each summation will constitute to PRF. But since factor has different weight, so you have to consider the weight also. If the weight has been equal, then we would have just do the summation of all this rating. So overall we have to see the rating, but apart from that, you have to multiply this rating by this weight, because each have different weight. So basically what we will do, we will multiply 0.3 with 80, similarly 80, 90, 95, and for this column we have to multiply by 0.4, because technology has 0.4 weight. Okay, similarly multiply by 0.2 for after sales and 0.1 for training. Okay, now see, so simply what we have to do to get the PRF, we have to just multiply each factor by the weight. Okay, now let us see in detail. Okay, so I have made this table. So what I am doing to calculate the PRF, we will just do the multiplication. So 80 into 0.3, because factor of maintenance of plant is 0.3, weight of maintenance of plant is 0.3. So in this case we have multiplied all by 0.3 and the second technology by 0.4 and after sales by 0.2 and training by 0.1. And for each country we will do the summation of all these four. So 9.5 plus 18 plus 38 plus 24, which is 89.5. So this is the PRF for USA. 87 is for UK, 90 is for Germany, 86 Japan, and 56 is India. So now you will ask how we will how we will think in that way, because see, this is the rating is given and weight is also given. So it should be general, means we should think that weight is given, so we have to multiply by weight only, because this is the different weight is for different factor. So in this way we will calculate this table. Now once we calculate this one, now everything becomes easy. Okay, now we will see PRF for which country is the highest. So we can see here 90 is highest, and which is for Germany. Okay, 90 is the highest, so in this case the answer will be Germany. Okay, the PRF for India is so in case of India PRF is 56, so it will be 56. Now we will see the third question. If the PRF for UK should be made equal to the PRF for USA, to how much should the rating for plant maintenance be increased? So it is saying that we have to make the PRF of UK equal to PRF of USA. So see, PRF of USA is 89.5 and for UK is 87, and we want to make this equal. And for that it is asking to how much should the rating for plant maintenance be increased. Now see, if we have to make this equal, it means we have to increase something to this UK, okay, PRF of UK, and to increase we have given how much should the rating for plant maintenance be increased. So we have to increase this rating of plant maintenance, which is 80 now. So we have to find how much we will increase so that it will become overall PRF will be 89.5. So I have solved this here. Now see, to make 87 to 89.5 we have to increase the PRF by 2.5. okay, but we will not be touching training, after sales we will not touch, technology we will not touch. We have to increase maintenance of plant and the rating of maintenance of plant. So let us suppose I have given this by X. So let us suppose the new rating will be X, and then we will multiply by 0.3, and now instead of 24 we want it to be 26.5. Why? Because see, it was 87 and it increased to 89.5, so it will increase by 2.5. So I have increased this by 2.5. So initially it was 24, now it will be 26.5. Now we will calculate the value of X, and it will be 88.33. okay, so the answer for third one will be 88.33. So see, this was very easy. If you see carefully, we have to just increase the PRF of UK and make it equal to PRF of USA. So it is 89.5, it is 87. So we want to increase 2.5, and that also we have to increase in case of maintenance. We will not touch all these three. So in case of maintenance, rating is now it is 80. So let us suppose the new rating should be X, and then multiply by 0.3, and currently the total is 24, but we want the total should be 26.5, because then only it will become equal to 89.5. We will increase 2.5, and now calculate the value of X. So this was the third question. And in the PRF for India, which factor makes the highest effective contribution? So in the PRF of India, which is making the highest contribution? So let us see. So maintenance of plant is 18, technology 16, after sales 14, and training is 8. So overall highest is maintenance of plant, it is 18. All are less than it. Okay, so this is making the highest contribution, maintenance of plant. So we will do plant maintenance. Okay, so these were the 4 questions, and I hope it was very easy. So see, once you have to understand this data. If you understand this data, all these will be just a piece of cake. Okay, so let us recap all these things. So see, in simple word, at first we have seen that all these 4 questions we are asking for PRF. It means we have to calculate PRF, then everything will be easy. And to calculate PRF is these factors comprise the production rating factor of a country. Okay, so production rating factor. So these are just rating, but there is factor also. So each rating has some factor. It is not that we will directly do 80 plus 95 plus 90 plus 95. So because this is just rating, but something has extra weight. Okay, all things are not equal. Maintenance of plant, all will not contribute in equal way, because see, technology is a bit different. It contributes a lot. So see, its weight was high. Okay, and training is 0.1. So training means does a little bit of what to say, it is just little bit of contribution. So this weight we have to keep in mind. So just what we have done, we have multiplied this rating by weight, because all rating are not same. If it has been said that all rating are same, equal weight, all are equal, but it is not the case. Technology is highest, then this one, then this one, then this one. So we have to multiply by weight to get the actual rating, and once we get the actual rating, we will do the summation for all the countries separately, and that's all. So in this way we have easily solved all these questions. Okay, so we have to just do a bit of multiplication, get the PRF, and once we get the PRF, we will calculate the answer very easily. So this was the questions, and these types of questions will make a lot of benefit to you if you understand this data clearly. So you have to attempt this question, you have to try, you have to see if you are able to get this, and once you are able to get this, you should try these questions, okay, as soon as possible. So these were the questions, and it was asked in Infosys. Okay, so I will upload these types of video of different and I have uploaded puzzle questions also, and all other question I will upload. So please subscribe to my channel, and like and share if you want. So that's all from my side, and thank you guys, take care.